The client said to me, Davey, I don't know what's going on. I'm making so much money in my business, but there's no profit at the end of the day. Why is there no profit? We sat down together for a day and we drew out this process flowchart. And we found out there was issues with this part here and variations. We found that a lot of the jobs had variations, but the contractor or the employee was not sending out variations to make changes to resend a new purchase order. So there was all these changes that were being made throughout this whole process in terms of the job itself, and they weren't billing for it. So we had to fix this part up. So we had to train the team up, educate the team on how to spot a variation and what you need to do when there's a variation on a job. What we also noticed is that there was actually no one doing this part, the accounts payable side and accounts receivable side. We found so many errors with their process, and we wouldn't have been able to do it if we didn't draw up this process flowchart. So it's really important to actually review your processes and systems. The biggest issue with small businesses and big businesses is that time is money. And if you don't streamline your operations to free up people's time and to make sure that you shorten the time of delivery in terms of payment, in terms of operations, or in terms of service to the client, that means that you won't get that money in your bank account earlier enough. And as a result, what happens is in this business, they had so much money in accounts receivable and so much money in accounts payable that had to pay to other contractors that the business is pretty much close to folded, and we were able to save this business back then.